Oh yeah, going live right on the butt licking. Yep. Okay, let's try this kitty over here. You got tongue. Whoop, where'd you come from? Hey Hazel. And there's Nigel. Our almost not quite shy kitty. Still cleaning his paws. Well, let's turn away from that. You smelling where your stepsister chomped down? Huh? Hey Nigel. Let's get a close-up of the little man. He's been having some little bit of issues, but he's feeling better. He's so handsome. He's had some constipation over the weekend, and he had 2 days worth of enemas to try to combat it. And now he's got diarrhea, which is good. We want that. And now we're watching him just to make sure his body regulates itself back out. What we're going to be doing is sizing colors for the kittens. I got a bunch of Beastie Bands. They're soft Velcro, elastic. Hey Nigel, look at this. Look how close he is to me. I can just reach out and pet him. Brave man. Okay, now I was thinking about putting the phone like right here, but you may not be able to see too well. Are you eating it? Did you pick your collar? Okay, she picked her collar. And it's the one with the ocean. Okay, you hold on to it. Let's pull it out. We weren't supposed to start yet, but I guess we started. Let me hide the rest of them. Okay. Let me see here. Probably should have done more research before I started. Oh well. I will improvise on the fly. Maybe utilize chicken whale. She's like my collar. What I do with the collars is that I cut the Velcro end off to about half length, and then I size it with just a little bit of excess. They grow fast at this age, so they'll need a new collar soon. But except for Violet, none of them have worn a collar before. So that's what we're doing here, is getting them used to collars. One question was asked, should indoor cats wear them? That's purely up to their adopters. But in case they do want to, I start to get them used to the collars. Like my own cats, they are strictly indoor. They have no interest in going outside. My cats don't have collars. Okay. Hey Ioke, are you going to make this difficult? Yep, that's a shower curtain. Intended to diffuse the light so people outside can't see in, but allow the daylight through for that webcam right over there. Attached to the fence. If you go to thecritterroom.com, you can see the view from that angle. Okay. Hey, what are you doing? That's my toe. Who is this? That's Violet. I only could tell her and Joti apart by their tail. Look at that. He's like right next to me. Hi, Nigel. Okay. I'm pondering things. Okay, good. That seems to be holding somewhat okay. You can see this. Okay, I cannot read chat right now, but I'm going to move to where I should be in view of both cams. Okay. Cut that in half. The reason why I cut the Velcro part in half is that I believe it's too strong if the whole thing is gripping. Come here, Hazel. Okay. Look, we gotta size it. We gotta size it for you. Because it's too big as is. Okay, let's start with that. Kitties are jerks. Hazel, she's over there playing with a soccer ball. The colors are all stuck together. There we go. Okay, Hazel, come here. Hey, no, it's not your turn to pick. Okay, let me put this back down. Need to get a foam cradle. Okay, you face this way, you chew on that. Hey, you move out of the way. You'll get your turn. Hi, Nigel. You can stay where you are. Cut another inch off. Backwards. Okay. Now with kittens, you want to put the collar on so where you can fit one finger underneath easily. With an adult cat, two fingers, and she's never wore a collar yet, so she has to get used to it, and we call it the collar dance. Or actually, I just made that up. We make sure it doesn't get in her mouth or anything like that. At least there's no tags on it. Imagine wearing a collar for the first time and having a jingle. Okay. She knows something's there, but she keeps getting distracted by toys. If you just joined us, we're doing the collar acclimation exercises, where we get them used to wearing collars in case their adopters want to have collars on them. There's like a little something on the other side. I think she's trying to get it. Okay, are you next? Are you next, Violet? I don't leave the collars on them when I leave. We'll do another collar acclimation thing tomorrow. Okay, Violet. Okay, yeah, quit saying hello and goodbye. Otherwise, I'll have to show you the door. It's considered spamming. Okay, Violet, it's your turn. Go pick. This is the one you want? Crazy cat? You saw that. She picked it out intentionally. And this is the one you want, right? Sorry, Hazel, you already picked. Yeah, my dialect, it's called traveler's accent. I grew up all over the world, and I pick up accents real easy. So whoever I'm talking to, I pick up the accent. What are you doing, girl? This is Ioke. They were all named after hurricanes, retired hurricanes. Because I was wondering how kittens that have never been in a room designed for kittens would act. And the first thing I thought of was, like little hurricanes. This is Joti, Joti. Yes, I believe all the kittens are spoken for. My kitten dealer had to make some calls because a lot of people wanted Hazel and only one family can get Hazel. You can see that the carpet underneath the door is completely gone. Thanks to kittens. Yes, we believe they all have families lined up. Hey, Nigel. Nigel will have to stay for another week because he needs to have his poopies monitored. Okay. Now, we don't announce if there's pairs yet. We save that for as one of the benefits of watching the adoption. They're going at it. Nigel wants to play with their tails, though. Okay, Joti, I need to borrow the bed because that's my phone rest. Sorry, girl. Okay. You can still see them wrestling over there. Okay. Violet came out to get her collar. Okay. The only way I could tell between Violet and Joti is her tail. Violet's a lot more bushy. Joti's is streamlined. Okay, let's try this. Okay, roughly there. And that's Joti right in front of the cam. It's like Joti, but with a T instead of a D. Hold up. It's too tight. I mean, too loose. Still too loose. Okay, that's good, but now we got too much slack. Let me see. Take off a centimeter. The reason why I use these beastie bands is that if it gets caught in their mouth, it won't hurt them. At worst, it'll annoy. Now she's wore color already, so Hazel's named after the Atlantic hurricane, I believe, the one that was less destructive. Okay, it looks like she forgot what it was like to wear a collar. Nigel just attacked my foot. He did a drive-by dash right on this toe right here. I think we'll do Ioke next. Careful with those jumps there, girl. What are you guys doing over there? Okay, Ioke. Okay, now where'd Violet go? Oh, there you are. Are you Violet? Nope, not Violet. Are you Violet? Violet, what'd you do with your collar? Let's make sure. Okay. Oh, there's Violet. That's Violet right there, playing with the ratty. I think that's Violet. That's Joti and Joti's collar. Yep, that is Violet. Bushy tail. Okay, Ioke. Hold on, let me get these colors right, set up. You already picked one. Come here, Ioke. Ioke. Pick one. Middle one. Diva Cat. That is fitting. Hi, Nigel. Nigel's next. Listen to that purr. Hey, Violet, can I borrow that, please? Thank you. Okay. Yeah, I started using these Beastie bands exclusively because I was using the breakaway collars, and I had a foster who discovered the flaw with the breakaway collars. The clasp is like, it was properly sized, but he somehow managed to pull it out enough to get the clasp stuck in his mouth. And the clasp, if it's flexed, it will not. Violet. It will not open up, especially if their teeth are hooked on both sides. So the only thing I could do was to cut it off. Okay, scram, read it, mush. There we go. No. That's where the phone's got to go. Gotcha. Okay. Nope. Underneath is good. You can stay underneath there, okay? We'll compromise. She's not staying underneath there. Boop. These kittens are fosters with Purrfect Pals. They were turned into a different shelter along with many other kittens with no mom. This is actually two litters. Our Technicolor kittens and our monochromes. Such fierce. Okay, let me try putting the phone back. Ooh, check it out. Nigel's wrestling. Wrestling Violet. Keep her distracted from your boy, okay? Appreciate it. Okay. Come here, Ioke. Okay, good. Now let up. Nope. Sit. Sit. Yeah, like she's gonna sit. Okay, now I gotta size it. Okay. Roughly right there. Now come back over here. Gotcha. Ah, almost had her. Gotcha. Okay, need to cut off a centimeter. Jerk. Yes, kittens are jerks. Okay, where's your collar? Where's the, there we go. Again, the purpose of this is to get them used to wearing collars in case their adopters want to put collars on them. Okay, I'm going to put your collar on upside down just because it'll be easier. Okay, there we go. Whew. It's properly sized. I size them to have one finger being able to fit easily underneath. For kittens, 2 fingers for adults. And the main thing is to make sure that the collar does not pull over their chin. She does not even notice it's on. Totally oblivious. They don't need, look at that, they don't need Red Bull. They're hurricanes. They're named the Hurricane Fosters. They're named after retired hurricanes that did minimal damage. Okay, Nigel, it's your turn to pick. Let's see, this is the choices he has. Oh, sorry about that. Boop. If I'm letting them pick, I should buy one of every kind they have in stock and let them pick. Now these are collars. This is not the graduation pictures. That's tomorrow. Yeah, she's totally oblivious to the collar. Nigel. Nigel. Come pick your collar. And then Joti gets what's left. Okay, if you're going to be over there, I'll give you 30 seconds. I'll give you 1 minute, and then we're going to let the missus here pick instead. Come here, Nigel. Okay, here, boy. Pick one. And he picked the bunny. Real men can get away with wearing pink. They're not... There's nothing wrong with wearing pink. If you look good in pink, it don't matter if you're a boy or a girl, man, woman, cat, dog. Violet wants to help. Okay, let me put the phone down. Hazel! Yes, I have stars on my ceiling. They glow in the dark too. You a fuzzy little jerk. Hey, Nigel. Is that how my phone got tipped over? Yeah, the owners who... or the people who owned this house previously, this was the little girl's room, and I never bothered to take the stars down. They painted the room kind of weird though. Okay, let me put the phone back down. Okay. Okay, Nigel. Hazel. She's like, I did nothing. You poked me. I shook my legs. Okay, I'm gonna put the phone down again, and then go get Nigel. He's currently sticking out of a YouTube. Ioke's pooping. He's backing up. He's in the other tube now. Come on, Nigel. It's okay, buddy. Okay, I'll do Joti now. He just went underneath the bookcase. Where's the red collar? There it is. Oops, sorry. I'm going to size it. I can use this to get a rough side. Nigel just walked right past me like it was nothing. She's like, I don't want to wear a collar. I don't want to. Little loose. Okay, take a centimeter off. Got one flower. These are soft, elastic Velcro collars. If it gets caught in their mouth, they will be able to just simply be annoyed. It won't hurt them. And if they do get a paw caught underneath it, they can use that to actually remove it. There we go. You turn the phone over. There we go. Where'd you go? And I'm going to use her collar trimming to pre-size Nigel's. Okay. She's just looking out the window now, so I'm going to go ahead and do Nigel. Nigel's neck is a little thicker, but I had to do a second trim on Joti's collar. Do you have to poop? No? Okay, come here. Okay. Relax, relax, boy. Relax. I'm gonna try the ear scritch. Oh, you just scared him. Okay, straight to collar it is then. Good luck, kiss. Yeah, we had a somewhat warm day. It's 79 degrees in the room, which is very comfortable for kitties. How you doing, Nigel? We have viewers from all over the world. People can talk French if they want, as long as they are respectful. If you are not respectful in English, I'm going to, well, you can just go. Don't jump. You've got so much to live for. Beep, beep, beep. And it's perfectly fine to talk in foreign languages. Though if I get reports from my mods saying that you are speaking rudely in a foreign language, I will block you. You see that? That used to be such a nice windowsill. And then I started fostering. The bed's alive. Oh, there's nobody underneath here. The bed's haunted. Kittens are doing really well with the collars. Nigel doesn't seem to notice he's wearing one. So if you're discovering this broadcast and for the first time, go to thecritterroom.com. It's located in the broadcast description. And you can watch these guys around the clock, including my next fosters. And the fosters after that, and the fosters after that, and so on and so forth. Okay. Boop the nose. Tap the nose. Well, you still can, because the nose is moving. The nose never stops. It's like you got a nice big opening right there. Yeah, it's like if you pull up the main cam, you'll see this as kitten therapy, because it is. And that's the cam right there, broadcasting 60 frames per second at 1080p. Less motion blur. I might do 4K kitten cam in the future. And I am investigating on doing a 3D VR kitten cam. So that if you have VR goggles or a good cell phone, you could just put on your Google Cardboard and look around the room. So if the kittens are not in view, they can be. I'm not sure if the technology is quite there yet. I need a 3D cam to be able to broadcast to YouTube. It's getting close though. And it's definitely not going to be cheap. For me anyway. It'll be free for you. Hi Nigel. Oh, we got poop. There she goes. Hold on, I gotta put the foot down because I think somebody just put a foot down and poop. Let me put the phone down. Okay, there. Let me check. Yep, we got stinky foot. Not you. Come here. Sorry, Joti. It's for your own good. This is waterless shampoo that's safe for kittens and cats. Let's do this right here. She does not like being restrained. So yes, I'm cleaning a poopy paw with my fingers. This is fostering. Get your butt off of you. Okay. Let's dry it. Sorry, Nigel. Well, this wouldn't happen if you don't step in your own poop. Fortunately, it was just a little bit on the side of your paw. Of course, I bought some latex gloves that I can use, but I didn't bring them in here yet. So, I'll let you watch the kitties. Let's see. Let's get to where you can actually watch the kitties. I'm gonna go wash my hands. And I'll be right back. Holy crap, the phone's still standing. I just stepped over Nigel and he did not run. He's a very shy kitty. I'm working on reducing that shyness. Hey Nigel. I'm paying attention to thumbnails. If I see the same people saying just hi and bye, I will block you. That's a LED light bar that shines light onto the wall to make it so that the cam there has better lighting. I think the bots do that just because it defeats the anti-spam sensors while showing people scantily pictures of scantily clad women, hoping that they view their profile. So I guess if you say hi and you wear scantily clad picture, if you wear a scantily clad picture, don't say hi, don't say bye, just talk. Otherwise I'll say bye. Someone's talking. Nigel's trying to play with her tail. Yeah, the problem I had with that cam right there is that the main source of the light is that window. And threw the lighting off, so I needed some sort of light diffuse from the back. You cleaning your belly? You cleaning that white patch off? If you are accidentally blocked, just send me a message and I will unblock you. I think they're finally winding down. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take their collars off But I'm going to go ahead and stop the broadcast. If you want to continue watching them, watching me take the colors off, go to thecritterroom.com. It is located in the broadcast description. And you'll be watching at the cam just above the Rocky there. That's the rock in front of Nigel. And thank you for the birthday wishes. All right. Enjoy the kittens. Have a nice day.